In order to enable viewing an echo profile on the LT500 screen, we navigate to the Maintenance and Diagnostics menu and go to Diagnostics. Echo profiles are not enabled by default to ensure that they don't disrupt with any communications from a Bluetooth app or from an engineering tool such as Somatic PDM. To enable echo profile viewing, select Enabled, and this allows us to view the echo profile wizard. Once in the echo profile view, you can use the up and down arrows to zoom in on the echo profile. Once zoomed in, you can press the right arrow to change the function to pan, and then you can use the up and down arrows to pan across the profile as well. To exit the pan function, press the right arrow and we return to the zoom factor. Pressing down again returns us to a zoom factor of 0. To exit the echo profile, press the left arrow to return to select which measurement point you would like to look at. In order to activate an auto false echo suppression, return to the main menu and go to Setup. Select Sensor and then down to Auto False Echo Suppression. We can see that right now the auto false echo suppression is disabled. If we enter a range, which we will keep at 6 meters, and perform a learn, the echo profile function will be started. The auto false echo suppression takes approximately 30 seconds to complete. Now we can see that the auto false echo suppression has succeeded completely. We can press the right arrow to exit the menu. And now we can return to our run screen.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.